students, today I will teach some important programs for class 11. Okay, let us see one program. First one, what is the gold batch number? Okay, you have to write a program and you have to determine whether the number is a gold batch number or not. Gold batch. So gold batch numbers are all even positive numbers, which can be expressed as the sum of two odd prime numbers. For example, I will write on the board and show you. For example, I have taken 6. So 3 plus 3, it can be expressed as the sum of two odd prime numbers. Okay. So like this we can go for other examples also. Many examples may be available. Like I think 14 will also be there. Actually, all even integers are means more than 2. All even integers are gold batch number only. So 14, it can be 11 plus 13. Okay, then 7 plus 7 also. So these all are odd primes. 11 and 3 are also odd prime, and 7 is also an odd prime. So their sum is coming 14. So like this we can have many examples. Now let us see the logic. How are we solving this? Okay. Starting from the very beginning, first of all enter the number n equal to sc dot next int, then make the object of the class gold batch, then check whether the number entered is an even number or not. If n modulus 2 is equals to 0, then only we will continue. And how are we continue? See the loop, I equal to 0, j equal to n. So write the values, I is equal to 0 and j, suppose I have taken 14. So j equals to 14. Then I less than n by 2, less than or equal to, so 14 by 2, 7. Then one function I have made is prime. So we will call that function. If ob dot is prime is equals to true and ob dot is prime j also equals to true, then we are printing I and j. So let us start from the beginning. Ob dot is prime I. Now we are calling the function and passing the value of I. So I कितना है beginning में? It is 0 only. So n को 0 मिलेगा. So the loop will be false. I equal to 1. I less than or equal to n. So n is 0 na. So there is the loop will be false. Then we will check if c is equal to 2. No. Then return false. So false will be returned. ठीक है? यहाँ पर false return होके आएगा. It will be false. Then ob dot is prime j. J is how much? 14. So 14 will be passed to the function is prime. So is prime function is doing nothing. It is only checking whether the number is prime or not. और क्या लॉजिक अप्लाई किए हैं प्राइम नंबर चेक करने के लिए? By counting the number of factors. The number of factors should be equal to 2. Okay. So देखो I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 14. It will go till 14. Divide all the numbers from 1 till 14. So what will be the factors? Whenever we get a factor of n, then c will be increased by 1. So 14 modulus 1 true, 14 modulus 2 also true. Then 14 modulus 7 is true. 14 modulus 14 will be true. 4 times it will be true. So value of c becomes 4. Then again return false. After that, like this we continue. Then j minus minus. Okay, j will become 13. Okay. And I plus plus. I will become 1. Now these two will be passed. 1 and 13. Okay. So, so for 1, the 1 is not a prime number because its factors are not 2 in number. So we can check orally also. 13 is a prime number. For 13, you will get the answer returned as true. But for 1, the answer returned will be false only. Okay. Then again, I plus plus, j minus minus. Both are even numbers. So none of them are prime. Okay, 2 is a prime number, but 12 is not a prime number. Then 3 and 11. Here we will get one answer, children. Therefore 3 you will pass. So 3 is a prime number. It will run from 1 to 3. And 3 modulus 1 is true, and then 3 modulus 3 is true. Then for 11 also, it will be divisible by 1 and 11 only. So again true will be returned. then I and j both will be printed. So I is 3 and j is 11. So 3 and 11 will be printed. Okay. So their sum will come equal to 14. So like this we will increase again. I plus plus 4, j minus minus 10. Now these two are not prime numbers. Okay. Then I plus plus 5, j plus plus, sorry, j minus minus 9. 5 is the prime number but 9 is not. So both the conditions are not true. We have put AND operator in between. Then I plus plus 6, j minus minus 8. Again both are even and they are not prime also. Then I plus plus 7, j minus minus 7. Now both have become equal. Both are prime numbers also. And their sum is also 14. So this time in both the cases same number will be passed. So every time true will be returned. So I and j will get printed. And after that the loop will be false also. As soon as I becomes 8, our for loop condition, it was less than or equal to n by 2. So it is neither less than nor equal to n by 2. So like this we are checking. Okay. And here one else is there for invalid entry. It is for the even numbers. N modulus 2 we have written now. If n is not an even number, then we are telling that the number is an invalid entry. So like this we solve the gold batch number. It is very simple to do. Like this, many important programs we can do. In this video, I will show you one more. Like matrix, we are always talking. I have told in the class also, you practice cyclic matrix, rotate the matrix 90-degree clockwise, all these programs. Then elements which are to be displayed, which are above and below the left diagonal, above and below the right diagonal. All these programs are there. Okay. You see, I will show you one program. Elements which are above the left diagonal. So this is the matrix I have taken. It is not compulsory to store at runtime. So ये कितना मैट्रिक्स है, क्या साइज है इसका? 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 brackets means 3 rows and 3 values in one bracket means 3 columns. Okay. Then elements above left diagonal. See, it is very simple to remember the program. Loop we have executed 0 to less than 3. J also 0 to less than 3 means inner loop. And if I is less than j, then we have to print. So when location number of I will be smaller than j, then it will be the element which are above the left diagonal. How? Let us see. ये देखो, these are our elements. Okay. Now what condition I have put? If I is less than j, only this much I have put. So check. I initially I is 0, j is also 0. Both are less than 3. Okay. 0 less than 0. False. When it is false, then I have written one else also. I am leaving one tab space. Means we are not printing the element. One tab space is left out. I am underlining. Then j plus plus 1, so 0 less than 1. This is true. Okay. So when this is true, then print array at ij. Means print array at 0, 1. So 0, 1 we have 2. So see, I am putting a cut mark also on the left diagonal. So 2 ठीक है ना? Left diagonal के ऊपर है. Like that, j plus plus 2, 0 is less than 2. This is also true. So 3 will also get printed. ठीक है? After that, inner loop will become false. Then system.out.println. Line will be changed. Then I will start from 1. J will again start from 0. So 1 less than 0, false. 1 tab space will be left out. Then j plus plus 1, 1 less than 1. This is also false. J plus plus 2, 1 less than 2. This is true. So 6 will be printed like this. Then j I plus plus 2, j again start from 0. So 2 less than 0, false. J plus plus 1, 2 less than 1, false. J plus plus 2, 2 less than 2, this is also false. So third line, no values will be printed. So like this your output will come. Only this much. In this format only. So it will appear like we are printing the matrix only. ऐसे आएगा. So let me execute this program for you. Two times it is printing. Clear screen at method call. You select this. See, 2, 3, 6. Only this much is printed. Okay. Other elements are left out, and 2, 3, 6 is printed at the place where they are present in the matrix. उसी place पे print हो रहा है. Gold batch also I have not executed. No, उसको भी run करा देते हैं. So many programs are there. I will have to find out. Got, मिल गया. एंटर नंबर. तो 14 लिए थे ना हम लोग. 3 and 11, 7 and 7. 2 pairs are there. एक 3 और 11 है जिसका सम 14 हो जाएगा, और एक 7 है जिसका भी सम 14 हो जाएगा. 7 plus 7. Other than this, one program I will show you, Hardy-Ramanujan number. Okay. This program has come in the practical exam of class 12th. तो Hardy-Ramanujan number होता क्या है वो देखो. (1729) means 1729 is a Hardy-Ramanujan number. First of all, add the digits of the number. How much we are getting? 1 plus 7, 8, 2, 10, 19. Then reverse the number 91 and then multiply 19 into 91. Again you will get back 1729. So such type of number is known as a Hardy-Ramanujan number. So it is very simple to do that. See, what are we doing? First of all, we are finding the sum of the digits in this while loop. ठीक है, take out the digits one by one. 1729 more than 0. R equals to 1729 modulus 10. Remainder will be 9. Sum equal to 0 plus 9. ये सब लॉजिक बहुत बार सिखाए हैं तुम लोग को, बहुत सारा प्रोग्राम में. डिजिट्स को एक्सट्रैक्ट करके कैसे सम फाइंड किया जाता है. 172. नेक्स्ट आइटरेशन 172 मोर देन 0. रिमाइंडर 172 मॉड्यूलस 10 तो 2 होगा. So 9 plus 2, 11. Then 172 by 10, quotient will be 17. And 17 is also more than 0. Then 17 modulus 10. Remainder 7. 11 plus 7, 18. Then 17 by 10, 1. 1 is also more than 0. 1 modulus 10. Remainder will be 1 itself. 18 plus 1, 19. And 1 by 10, 0. तो ऐसे सम ऑफ डिजिट्स निकाल लेंगे. ओके, तो सम ऑफ डिजिट्स इज 19. सो रब दिस पार्ट. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, फाइंड द रिवर्स ऑफ द नंबर. देखो, ये सम को वेरिएबल एस में स्टोर कर दिए और सम का रिवर्स फाइंड कर लिए. सम का रिवर्स कैसे फाइंड कर रहे हैं? रिमाइंडर को निकाल रहे हैं. रिवर्स इंटू 10 प्लस आर. ठीक है, तो 19 है ना, तो 19 मॉड्यूलस 10, रिमाइंडर विल बी 9. तो रेफ इंटू 10, रेफ इज इनिशियली 0, तो 0 इंटू 10 विल बी 0, ओनली 9 विल बी स्टोर्ड. सम 19 by 10, क्वोशिएंट विल बी 1. then next remainder 1 itself. Now ref is 9, so 9 into 10 plus 1, like this it will become reverse 91, and 1 by 10 it will become 0. After that I will multiply s and ref. S is having the sum of the digits, ref is having the reverse of the sum, both are multiplied. So S is how much? 19, Rev is 91. So 19 into 91, if it is equal to A, then A is a Hardy Ramanujan number. So like this we are doing. See, enter any number 1729. देखो 1729 is a Hardy Ramanujan number. So like this you study, and whatever doubts you are having you can ask. I will upload more videos for some more programs. Okay, already I have told you some programs. Everything is taught, so only just for the sake of revision I am giving. Thank you.